Good morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. I hope you all are good at your home and you have done all the exercises as well as whatever I have given you. The questions related to the uh, future tense, future indefinite, future. Today we are going to discuss about future continuous. As we know very well, after indefinite, we generally study about continuous. So this is the next part of future tense. Today we are going to discuss about future continuous tense. You know, as we know very well about future continuous tense, as we know, we have already known about continuous. The work will be always continuous, always continue if there is in the moment of future continuous tense. Okay, whatever we do, any kind of work that will be continuous, and in the moment of future that will be future continuous tense. So today we have to discuss about it. Firstly, we have to study idea of it. As we know, we have to use here will be, shall be. You know, this is the idea of future tense. This is the idea of future tense, but we have to use future continuous also. So we have to use here verb first form ing. So in affirmative sentence, when we talk about structure, in affirmative sentence, when we talk about structure, subject will be, shall be, and then verb first form ing, object and complement. Okay, so we have to use this structure to make any kind of sentences of this tense. So in this way we have some example. He will be playing this time. In this tense, when we talk about, we have to always think and suppose what anyone is doing. What anyone is doing. We have to guess about anyone, anyone's work. So he will be playing this time. He will be playing this time. Means when we talk about Hindi of this ID, it will be रहा होगा, रही होगी, and रहे होंगे. So in this way, we can say that we have to guess or suppose of anyone's work, what anyone is doing in the moment of future continuous tense. So he will be is the helping verb of future tense, and playing showing that this is continuous. So including all, we can say that future continuous tense. Okay, she will be singing in her room. Okay, she will be singing in her room. Here is also will be, and singing is a verb of continuous. So we can say that both are the sentences are the part of affirmative sentence of future continuous tense. Clear? I hope you are understanding all the things and things are clear to you. You can make more example. They will be dancing at home. They will be dancing at home. Look at this. Here will be, and will be. The same thing, the same helping verb we have used here. As we know very well, where we have to use helping verb will be, and where we have to use helping verb shall be. You know very well. In future tense, this helping verb was linking verb, but here in future continuous, this linking verb became helping verb. So we can say that when we have to use this, we have to care about first person, and here we have to care about second and third person. Clear? So in this way, with the help of this exercise, this structure, we can make a lot of example. As I always say to you, you have to always create your own ideas to create any kind of sentences or make any kind of sentences. And with the help of exercise of your book, you have to also make your sentence. Clear? Just note down all, and then we have to move to the next part. And I'm just giving you the work of this sentence. You have to tell me about the parts of speech of the sentences, of given words in the sentences. Clear? In this you have to also find out. Okay, note down it, and then I'll give you more examples. And after this we have only perfect and perfect continuous tense. Then tense will be finished. Now we have to move the negative sentence. As we talk about negative sentence of this, we know very well where we have to use negative word, as we have already used in future tense when we were using linking verb will be, shall be. You know, negative sentence will not be, shall not be. We have to use this. Not in the middle of will be. Will and be. You can make the structure yourself also. Subject will, shall not be, verb first form, ing, object and complement. Look at this. Subject will, shall not be, verb first form, ing, object and complement. So in this way we have to focus this not in the middle of this helping verb. Clear? So with the help of this we have some example. He will not be crying for the twice. He will not be crying for the twice. Rohan will not be coming today. Sohit will not be speaking English this time. Okay, these are the sentences as related to this structures. We have to say that he will not be crying for the twice. Rohan will not be coming today, and Sohit will not be speaking English this time. We can say that this is a not has the sense of negative, and the same thing will be, and here the part of continuous. So we can say that these are the examples of the part of negative sentence of future continuous tense. So I hope you are understanding all the things, and you can get the help of these examples, as well as you can take the help of these structures. Clear? Note down it, and then we have to move the next part, that will be the interrogative first. And here you have to also make your exercise yourself. Okay, in every and each sentence you have to find out the words are given in the sentences, which parts of speech. Very good. Have you understood all? Very good. Just note down all. I hope you have done it. Okay, now after negative we generally move to the which part, that is interrogative first. Interrogative first. We will talk about now interrogative first. As we know very well, interrogative first is yes, no type. Structure, when we talk about will and shall, we have to use it in the starting of the sentence, and then subject, then be, then verb first form, ing, object and complement. Look at this. We have to use this structure to make interrogative sentence first. Okay. Will you be reading this book? Till evening. Will you be reading this book till evening? Next, shall we be going in this way? Shall we going in this way? And will you be reading this book till evening? So in this way, both examples have the at the end question mark, as well as reading and going, both are the verb, showing that continuous, and will be, shall be, it is the part of future. So we can say that both are the part of interrogative first of future continuous tense. The response when we talk about both our sentences, you can say that yes no type in. Okay, will he be thinking about his match? Look at this. Will he be thinking about his match? More example you can make. Will Ajay be writing a letter? Will Ajay be writing a letter? Will he be thinking about his match? So these are the examples are the part of interrogative first. I hope you are understanding all the things, and in this way you have to also create your own ideas to make any kind of questions related to this structure. Note down it, and then you have to do one, two. You have to tell us what are the words given in the sentences, which parts of speech related to that. I hope you are understanding all the things. Very good. Now we have to move after this interrogative second. That will be last part of this future continuous tense. And tomorrow we will discuss about, next tomorrow we will discuss about future perfect tense. Okay. I hope you have done it. Now we have interrogative second. Interrogative second about question word. Interrogative sentence second. What, where, why, when, how, etc. Will, shall, then subject, then be, and verb, first form ing, object and complement. Okay. In this way we have to find out the sentences related to this structure. What, where, why, when, how, etc. etc. You can say that, and then will, shall as a helping verb according to this subject, and then be, and then verb first form ing, object and complement. So I hope you can make this, you can make your own ideas to create any kind of sentences. Just note down the example of this. What will you be speaking? How will you be talking. Why will he calling you? Sorry. Why will he be calling you at this time? What will you be speaking? How will you be talking? And why will he be calling you at this time? These are the examples related to this structure, and we can say that examples have the sense of questions. As you know, at the end of this question mark, so we can say that these are the examples are part of integrative second. So in this way, you have to also create your own ideas to make any kind of sentences of any kind of tense. If there is present, past and future. You have already, mostly you have just finished your tense. You have studied present, past, as well as today we have discussed future continuous. Now we have only two parts, that will be future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. Clear? So I hope you have done it all. If there is any problem, you can ask any question related to the tense, and you have to revise your grammar again and again, because I am going to take your test after this. Revise all the things properly. I hope you have done it. Okay, students, we have finished future continuous tense today, and you have to revise as well as you have to do all the exercises related to this tense. So today I am going to end this session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.